How to save a snap someone sent you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a snap that someone sent you. So without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on and open our Snapchat application, make sure that it is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or to your Play Store and update your Snapchat app. After that, let's just head on and open our Snapchat application. And from the camera page, let's just swipe to the right so we can go to the Chats tab. So to save a snap someone sent you, I'm going to try and open a snap that is newly sent by my friend right here. So I'm just going to click on our conversation. And here is the snap. So for example, I want to save this one. You can either press and hold the snap and this will appear. So let's just click on save in chat, or if that does not work, let's just click on the three dotted button at the top right corner right here and the same thing will pop up. So let's just click on save in chat. So once you scroll down, that will close that particular snap, and when we open the convo back, that particular snap is already saved within your Snapchat conversation. So it says here you saved a snap in chat. Also take note that usually only the photo or video snaps with a timer set to no limit may be saved in chat by friends. So those timers that has a limit may not be saved by you or other options like that. So that is how you can basically save a snap someone sent you. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.